How to clean baseboards. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Best Choices. Today, we're tackling one of the most overlooked areas in home cleaning, your baseboards. That's right, those little strips along the bottom of your walls can collect a surprising amount of dust, dirt, and grime over time. Clean baseboards might not be the first thing on your to-do list, but they can make a massive difference in how fresh and polished your entire space looks. In this video, I'll walk you through the best techniques to clean your baseboards easily and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, pet hair, or just everyday dust, I've got you covered with step-by-step tips, handy tools, and even some pro hacks to make this chore quick and stress-free. Stick around because I'll also share some tricks to keep them cleaner for longer, so you won't have to do this as often. Let's get started and bring some shine back to your home. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to prepping to wash, cleaning painted baseboards, and cleaning natural wood or stained. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. 1. White vinegar. 2. Vacuum with vacuum hose. 3. Bucket or bowl. 4. Sponge or cloth rag. 5. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Method 1. Prepping to wash. Number 1. Do the baseboards last if you're cleaning or dusting the room? Baseboards accumulate dust that is kicked up from the floor, walls, and surfaces. Save them for last to prevent accidentally undoing all of your work. You can of course just clean the baseboards, instead of the whole room, anytime. Baseboards don't need to be cleaned too often, so it may be easier to just do one room at a time each day/week that you clean. Number 2. Move the furniture to the edge of the room and vacuum the floor. Get the basic dust and kick up anything under the sofa now, not after you've cleaned. Give yourself ample room to work by sliding the furniture back. You'll need to get low to the baseboards. Number 3. Use a small brush to wipe the dust off the top edge. Get into the groove between the baseboards and the wall and knock off the dust lodged there. Number 4. Vacuum baseboards with vacuum hose and brush attachment. Use the brush attachment to protect your surfaces, and the long, pointed attachment to get into the corners. Number 5. Use vacuum attachment along the bottom of the baseboard. Clean 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, out in front of the baseboard with the brush attachment. Then run quickly over the edge where the baseboards meet the wall. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning painted baseboards. Number 1. Attack any tough scuff marks with an eraser. That's right, a normal writing eraser. You could also use a magic eraser or similar cleaning product, but a normal pink eraser is actually very effective at cleaning up scuff marks. Number 2. Make a diluted vinegar to clean the baseboard. Mix 1 cup, about 0.25 liters, of white vinegar in bucket or bowl with 4 to 5 cups, 0.9 to 1.2 liters, of very warm water. Vinegar is a key, powerful cleaning agent that is all natural to boot. Dilute it with water to make it easier to use and less harsh on the nose. You can also use a few drops of mild dish soap in lieu of vinegar. Number 3. Soak a sponge in the vinegar solution and scrub a section. Don't try and do the whole thing at once. Water left on wood generally doesn't do good things. Number 4. Dry off the wall with a clean rag as you work. Once you have an area clean to your liking, immediately dry it. While forgetting once or twice won't likely cause any damage, it can cause issues for sensitive woods or finishes. Number 5. Scrub out the corners of the baseboards with a cotton swab. Get into the dustiest, dirtiest spots with a wet cotton swab. Soak the swab in your dilute vinegar or soap solution first. You may need a couple, but they're great for the harder to reach areas. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Cleaning natural wood or stained baseboards. Number 1. Treat baseboards like natural wood if you're unsure if they're painted. Paint acts as a sealant, protecting the wood partially from moisture or stripping. Most paint is also easy to accidentally strip away, as well. When in doubt, clean your baseboards as if they were natural wood to protect the wood and the paint. Number 2. Wipe down your baseboards with a damp, clean rag. Get off all the surface stains with a quick, easy wipe. You could also use a magic eraser or similar stain/scuff fighting product. Wet wipes. An old sock. Put it on a toilet cleaning brush and then dip it in warm water. It looks silly, but you won't have to bend down as much. Number 3. Dry the wood immediately as you work. Use your damp cloth, work on a stain, then dry it off. This is just a preliminary clean to make your work more effective, so don't spend hours on one stain. Just wash off anything easy to remove and make sure you've picked up the dust. Number 4. Wet a new, clean cloth in wood cleaner or mineral oil. Mineral spirits are a great, all-purpose cleaner and work particularly well on scuffs. Use it to buff out any bad stains or issues, and wood cleaner will cover almost all baseboards. Always open some windows and work in a well-ventilated area when working with chemical cleaners. Number 5. Use a cotton swab to clean in the corners of the room. Dip it in your wood cleaner or mineral spirits and get in there to really clean everything off. Number 6. Wipe the baseboards with a clean cloth to remove excess cleaner. Cleaner left on the baseboards will just attract dust, letting it stick to the wet, tacky surface. Wipe it away to make sure everything stays clean. Number 7. Wipe down the boards with dryer sheets to prevent dust buildup. This little hack coats the baseboards with some cleaner and banishes static, keeping dust off the boards and keeping your house a little cleaner for a little longer. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Sit on a skateboard or other rolling object to make cleaning a breeze. 2. Try not to saturate the wall or baseboard with liquid. Work in small areas and dry off each section as you go. Warnings. 1. Keep children away from the cleaning solution. 2. Always work in a well-ventilated area with cleaning products other than basic soap and water. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.